say welcome to the mission, show us all what you can do. We need a man with vision, so we put our trust in you. And now we hope sincerely that you do the best that you can do. Oh, for sure it won't be easy, we'll have to risk our lives. Some will try to break us and cut us down to size. But just remember there can be no consolation prize, not in our eyes. It's a long way to go. We can't wait one more day. We need someone to light up the way. We may run out of time. Can you hear what we say? Because heaven is so far away. Although time is getting short, there's still some sand left in the glass. And now we have a living, breathing rocket man at last. It's time to take a step and nail our colors to the mast. No more talk of great adventures when it's movement that we need. It must be our intention that we never lose the lead. So count us down to zero and let's get up to speed. Up and away. It's a long way to go. We can't wait one more day. We need someone to light up the way. We may run out of time, so believe what we say, because heaven is so far away.
That's pretty.
And so now they cry for justice, as if justice will be done. But the eye up in the sky was flying too close to the sun. The challenger has fallen and the race has now been run.
Made it here. We burned 32 gallons. Burned a lot of oil. Okay, we got 1% battery. We love you guys. Thanks for subscribing to the YouTube. Really appreciate you.
So much.
Following me in red, white, and blue, flying across the country. You know, again, just tune that in, let that playlist run, and let that background aviation fly. You know, let it play.
Just gonna let it play out. Thank you so much, guys. Freaking, I fell asleep. Sally's the man.
We
Slept the whole way. I was a little tired. Oh my
tired.
gosh. State fair the night before.
Now we're at the Omaha Air Show. We're just making our rounds.
Just doing the thing. We're trying to just do the thing.
260 mile cross country.
Yeah.
1.9 headwind. We ate that flight. We just ate that thing up. 1 quart of oil, bulk burn, not too bad.
Not too shabby.